Hi there. Want to learn how to use the word play in real sentences? In this video, I'll show you easy examples you can use every day. Let's get started. Play as a noun. We went to the theatre to watch a play. The school is putting on a play next month. The children are enjoying some playtime in the park. His role in the play was impressive. A new play by a famous playwright is being performed downtown. The students rehearsed the play for weeks before the performance. Watching a play live is a different experience from watching a movie. She wrote a play for her drama class. The audience gave the play a standing ovation. There's a play on words in that clever joke. Play as a verb. He plays football with his friends. They played games all day. We will play outside after lunch. She likes to play with her dog. Do you want to play with me? They play music in the evening. I love to play tennis. He plays the guitar very well. The kids play in the park every afternoon. She can play the piano beautifully. Play as an adjective. The play area is full of toys. He has a playful smile. The puppy has a playful nature. They built a play space for the kids. She gave him a playful push. The kids are in a playful mood. The cat has a playful look. The dog is always playful in the morning. Her playful attitude made everyone laugh. The baby was in a playful mood today. Play as an adverb. The puppy playfully ran around the yard. She playfully tapped his shoulder. He playfully teased his little sister. The kids playfully splashed water in the pool. She playfully skipped down the street. The kitten playfully chased the ball. He playfully hid behind the door. The baby playfully reached for the toy. They playfully pushed each other on the swing. The friends playfully joked with each other. In play. The ball is still in play during the game. The rules are in play now, so we have to follow them. His ideas are in play for the new project. The plan is still in play, so we will continue. Their strategy is in play, and it's working well. There are several options in play for the solution. The coach said the player is back in play. All the factors are in play for the final decision. The agreement is still in play, so we're moving forward. The discussion is still in play, and we haven't made a decision yet. Play it by ear. We don't have a plan yet, so we'll play it by ear. Let's go to the park and play it by ear. I'm not sure what we'll do tomorrow, so let's play it by ear. We'll decide when we get there, we'll play it by ear. There's no schedule, so we'll play it by ear. We can't plan everything now, so we'll play it by ear. I'll check my schedule and play it by ear. If it rains, we'll just play it by ear. We don't need a strict plan, we'll play it by ear. Let's meet up and play it by ear depending on the weather. Great job! Now, try making your own sentences with play, and share them in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun English lessons.